Well, we're back working on the car again this weekend. Last weekend we finished up the brakes on the front end, so the front end is all complete. We should be working on the rear end, but a couple of the parts didn't show up, so those should be here this week. We can start on that next weekend. But today we're going to start installing the firewall. We've got it all mocked up on the chassis, got it clamped up. We need to make sure it's good and square and everything's aligned. Then we're going to mark the back end where the frame and the firewall come together. Then we'll take it off. We'll drill the holes. We'll put fasteners every 3 inches. Okay, we have all the holes drilled in the aluminum firewall. Now we have to drill the holes into the chassis, and then we're going to put in the aluminum rivets. Well, the firewall turned out pretty good, and we're really happy with it. We decided that we're going to leave it unfinished for now. We may change our minds and we may come back and paint it black, but we've got a few steps left in the construction process to go before we actually have to make up our mind on whether we're going to paint it or not. But hey, the car is actually starting to take shape. We're really happy with it. We're having a lot of fun. And keep coming back to our YouTube site at 33 Hot Rod. Check out the process. Until next time, cheers.